This is just a short video to talk about how we can integrate Canvas and Flipgrid. So I have logged into Flipgrid. I use my AACC email and password to do that. And so now I'm going to talk about how you can get something called the consumer code and shared secret so that you can have really deep integration between Canvas and Flipgrid. And what this allows you to do is have students' responses go right into your SpeedGrader, and it also makes sure that students are not required to actually sign in to Flipgrid. Okay, so what you would do is you actually go into your profile. And into your profile, there's a section called Integrations. I'm going to add a new Canvas integration, and I would state what my course is. So I would say that this new Canvas integration is actually this. I'm going to create it. And then I have this consumer key and the shared secret. And the shared secret and the consumer key are actually going to go into Canvas, where you can set up a new app. So I'm going to go to a Canvas course to show that. Okay, so once I'm in my Flipgrid course, or into my Canvas course, I would go to Settings, and within Settings, I'm going to find a new application. I'm going to find the application Flipgrid. Okay, I'm going to add the application, and I'm going to go to Flipgrid. I'm going to copy, go back to Canvas, go to Flipgrid, copy, back to Canvas. Okay, so now Flipgrid is an installed app within Canvas. So one of the really great things with that is I can use Flipgrid to create assignments. So if I go to an assignment, and I'm going to name this First Check-In. I can put my instructions here, and then, okay, so I'm going to write my instructions, and then I'm going to go down to External Tool, and I'm going to find an external tool, and the external tool I'll find is Flipgrid. Okay, so you won't see anything now. However, when I save, the assignment will actually come up and it will allow students to sign in. They only have to sign in the very first time they use it, and I tell them to sign in with their My AACC, and from then on it will be linked for them to Flipgrid. So I would sign in and I could do all of my Flipgridding right from this page. Also, as the teacher, when you go into the SpeedGrader, you would see all of their Flipgrid responses assigned to each student.